Alright you guys, it is currently March the 12th, Saturday around 10 a.m. I did order a couple of things for my setup. Judging by the title, you guys probably already know what this video is about. But I'm just waiting for those packages to come in. It should arrive today as well as tomorrow. So I will see you guys when they arrive.
Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang.
What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Realist Gemini and welcome to Realist Gemini Tech. Today we will be taking a look and unboxing the Canon M50 Mark II. Right now you guys are seeing the quality of my webcam. I do have the Suru webcam. It is under $20, so the quality is pretty nice, but it is not as good as a high price webcam or a mirrorless camera, which is the Canon M50 Mark II. Now this is a great camera if you are a beginner and you are also on a budget. You can pick this up with the kit lens for under $700. I will have the link for this camera as well as my webcam down below in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. Now I bought this camera because I am trying to get more into vlogging as well as to up my live streaming. When I do game on my gaming channel, I will have that link or right here, the name right here. You guys can go over there and check that out after you finish this video. But nonetheless, let's get right into the unboxing. All right, let's open this side. This side. Oh, I'm opening this right side up. I need me like one of those fancy new unboxing knives. But yeah, that's upside down. Now I will go over the specs a little bit after we do the unboxing. But as you guys can see, it's the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Ooh, can be dropping it already. Let's see if we can get up in here. See what we got. We got some warranty for image Canon thing, the booklet, and the register. And this flap. Okay, we have I think this would be a neck strap. This is, I guess it is the kit lens. Then we have a battery. Now I did already purchase some accessories for this camera, and that video will be out next week, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel with your post notifications turned on. But this is the battery charger. And last but not least, we have the camera. Alright, so let's take a look at the neck strap first. Okay, it's just nice, it's nice. Some Canon branding on it. Guess we'll take a look at the battery pack. Nice, nice. Now I did get this brand new. If you guys want to go even cheaper, you can get this used for like I want to say around $650 maybe. And of course, this is the battery. Nice. So when you want to charge it, so you just place that in there, or maybe on this side, yep, like that. And then you just put this directly into the wall, and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the lens. So we have the, as well as this. Nice, very nice. I am super excited. Now let's get to the camera. Now this will be just a regular unboxing. I will not be doing any test shots, anything like that. You guys can come back for a video update on that. I'll probably do like a week or two with the Canon M50 video or something like that. But it is very nice. Now this is my very first mirrorless slash DSLR kind of camera. I've had a couple of point and shoot cameras, but nothing like this. This is gorgeous. Has a mic input. This is the screen. Just press that in. Oh, ooh, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. As well as the lens. Alright, so that was the unboxing for the Canon M50 Mark II. Just go over some of the features. It does have a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. That is what Canon is really known for. It does do 4K up to 24 frames, as well as 720 for 120 frames for that slow motion. It does have Canon's famous dual pixel autofocus, as well as this one right here has eye detection. Now the autofocus does not work in the 4K mode, but it does work in 1080p, which is, you know, pretty much only thing that I will be using this for. Has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can also download the Canon app to easily transfer files from the camera to my phone as well as to my computer. Now the main reason I chose the Canon M50 Mark II over the older Canon M50 was for that clean HDMI output. Now I did mention that I am a live streamer. I do stream on my other gaming channel, Realist Gemini. Come by, check it out, see the quality of this camera. It's a huge improvement from my last, well, it's gonna be a huge improvement from my webcam. So make sure you guys do check that out. I will have all of those linked down in the description, as well as my new Instagram channel that I will be posting more product videos and lifestyle videos and things like that. With this Canon M50, like I mentioned, I did want to get more into photography and videography, so I did pick this up for that main reason. Now, this wasn't my first choice. I would have preferred the Sony EV10, but as you guys know, that is completely done with. Sony has taken that off the market, and if I was to look for it on eBay, it would be like $2,000, way overpriced, when it was like cheaper, almost cheaper, or like $100 more than a Canon M50. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't get the Sony EV10. But if I had a choice between the M50 and the Sony EV10, I would have definitely went with the Sony, simply because the 4K on the Sony is doesn't have that huge crop factor like the Canon M50 does. But nonetheless, the Canon M50 will be a great camera for me. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you do hit that like button. It helps the channel out and I greatly appreciate it. While you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button. But I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have stuck to the end, make sure you comment if you guys are using a mirrorless camera or any camera that you guys use to stream or to take pictures. If it's your phone, if it's a DSLR, mirrorless camera, webcam, anything like that, make sure you drop that down in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next video.